Baby, you should know this. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
I wanted to come and share with you another item. Again, you guys, I am currently on a birthday month extravaganza. My birthday month, and I am celebrating me. You have to love on you if nobody else do, and so that's where I am. Although I have people that love on me, I still wanted to take the time and opportunity to do something for myself, and get some of the things that is on my wish list that I wanted, or things that I see that I wanted. It's not always about the material things and this and that, but some things I deserve because I feel like I work all year long. I take care of my family. I do my part. And so it's okay to buy you something a little bit more than you normally would. Let's put it like that. So, yeah. So I appreciate you all coming back, watching the videos with me, giving me your feedback, sharing my videos. I truly, truly appreciate it. And yeah. So let's go ahead and jump into what I have here. Now, this particular item is a new item. It has not necessarily been released yet. I've been able to get in contact with an SA who was able to place the order for me. You guys do need to, I don't know how many times I say it in our videos and just within our community, get you a good SA or a couple who can really, you can reach out to and really, appreciate you going through them and you trust, and that, will get the items that you're looking for. There are so many different people that I have run into that I have on my list. If I know I can't get it through one person, I know I can go through someone else. Find you somebody. You don't have to miss out on things that are being released or things that, are coming. If you truly have a relationship and you take care of your SAs and build that rapport, also, share with the community. Of course, the more, the merrier. You share with them. Get your items first, though. Okay? That's the key. Don't share until you get yours. Because I've seen that happen where people have shared and all of a sudden it's gone now. They don't have it. No, if you can at that time, get your items first. But if you can't, I totally understand. But yeah, build that rapport with the SAs, you guys. They really appreciate that. So yeah, without all that rambling, I just say find you someone good who can assist you. So that's what I've done. Shout out to my SA, one of them. I really appreciate this. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what did I get. Okay, I haven't opened it yet, you guys. This is gonna be my first time seeing it. And actually with this particular item, it's actually my first bag in this style. I do want another one in a specific color, but this is my first time trying this particular style. So let's go ahead and jump in. Okay. Information's been torn. So I have another Coachtopia. All right. Let's go ahead and get her out the box. I love their boxes too, by the way. And they little tissue paper. It's got little clouds and stuff on it. So cute. And I'm an artist, you guys. Like, I really want to color this box. I just want you to know. Like, if you like to draw and color, I really want to color this. But my husband's like, you got too many boxes. You need to cut the boxes up. And what are we doing with them? And, la, 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 la. My husband. I did get a nice little thank you card. Thank you. I love their bags. Can Coach just go with these, period? Other than just the outlet. So, here we are. I know you guys said, you just got 2 Coachtopia bags. I did, but they are not the style that I got this time. And actually, those were my first 2 bags from Coachtopia. So, this would make my 3rd. So let's go ahead. First of all, tell me what y'all think I got. Tell me. Do you know? Possible? Maybe? Okay. All right, let's go ahead and see. Another beautiful fall ready to go bag. Here we go. You guys, I got, here we go. Let me make sure I get the name right. Do, do, do. All right, here we go. Yay! She is beautiful. Look at that, you guys. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm super happy. Oh my God. She's so soft. She is so soft. And she's got the silver hardware. I know some people don't like silver. I am a silver girl. I love the silver hardware. You guys, I love their little tags that they put on here. And did you know that you can scan these and follow these bags? That's another interesting piece that I found out. Now this tag does seem a little smaller than a normal. I don't know. But neither here or there. But yes, this is the Bluebell. This is the Bluebell multi-colored Bluebell, and this is the it is a suede. So this is actually suede leather. So it's a combination. Look at that color. Look at all the colors. You got the ruby red, the Bluebell. You got the dark brown, the navy, gorgeous, the white. I don't even, is that chalk? The suede. You guys, this is gorgeous. No feet. It does have a brown bottom. Let's go on the inside. Ooh. Wait a minute. Did y'all hear that butter? Period. Honey, it comes with a cross body in dark brown. Okay. Let's get her unstuck. This bag is delicious. Okay. Make sure I got everything out. And again, it's going to go so perfectly with your denim jeans. It goes with anything, you guys. Honestly. Okay. So, inside, you have, it is not a suede. It is not a leather. It is a fabric, like sheer type. This is Coachtopia. You have one slip pocket here. I love their little story tags because they have that little curvy crinkle. Let me see if I can get you guys to see how that looks. You guys see that? How it's all wavy. It is adjustable. Now let me show you how, if you guys see this. So this is top handle as well. So I like that you can adjust it, but also I like that this part is not sticking out. So like some bags you see, when you take that out, they're just like that. And then you find them. I like that you have this little part to hold the buckle bag, what is this called? The strap. You guys, again, I'm tired. The strap. So I can adjust this on both sides. And I love that it's a little subtle Coachtopia down here. It's not a lot of coaching in and all that. Sometimes I like that, sometimes I don't. The bag is very light, you guys. Let's take a look. Let's see how she looks. So again, you know I'm 5'1". Perfect. Look at that. Perfect under the arm. And that's on the, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is their lucky number. And this is on the third one that already came. Isn't that pretty? And it has a slouchiness. I'm sure the more you put in, the more it gets I've seen where it kind of gives you that part where I've seen the carry. Now this I'm quite sure it's going to come in 2 sizes. It's going to come in this size, and it's another smaller size. This size was $2.95. I think the smaller size is $2.25. I hadn't seen the wallet when I first purchased this, but I am seeing the wallet come out, so I will get the wallet to go with this. But this bag is the bomb. So now I have 3 patchwork bags. I'm currently carrying my one, the brown tan one. Oh, she's so delicious. Let me grab her. Can y'all hold for a second? I'll take her out. Hold on for a second. Let me grab her so I can show you guys. Just to kind of show a little comparison. So, currently carrying her. As you guys can see, she is gorgeous. I do have her decorated. Have my little, not letting her steal the moment, but I want you guys to see this little charm. It's cute. It goes with it. It talks about coffee, little coffee charm. And then I have the Rowan charm. And this is a dupe from Amazon that I've seen. It has the C here, the cherry, and the dice. I thought very cute. But neither here nor there. I wanted to show you guys comparison. So again, we have the patches. So it has this color on here as well. But this just has the blue. My other one is all burgundy. But this has the blues and all that. I do want the other one that's made like this that has the pinks in it. That came out before. I actually like that color as well. But you guys, I don't know. I'm falling for Coachtopia. Okay. So she is, and she carries a lot. I'm actually going to take and transfer what I have in this bag. So I am carrying my wristlet with this one. I'm using this as a carry-all. So I'm going to just show you as I stuff this bag because I want to just see how this bag forms. Okay. I have my AirPods, my phone charger. When I tell you she carries a lot, she carries a lot. You see me pulling it out. I have my key fob charge wallet. I'm showing you my essential carry-all. So for people who wanted to know if this carries a lot, it does. Okay, I got some papers. Let's see what else I have in here. My Kleenex, my gum, my lip gloss, and my lip gloss. My key, my key fob change. All right, and I think that's everything other than just some regular old paper. Okay, so again, all that is what was carried in that bag. And guess what? Let me show you. I'm just not going to even look at all that and still have all that stuff, still have all this space. Look. There she go. Y'all know one thing about me is this right here makes me happy. I mean, smile. It makes me happy. I love to see a bag slouch like that. My Louis Vuitton bag does this. My Laura bag, Large Laura's does that. This just makes me so happy when it does that. But do you see that? Do you guys see that? So, and the leather is so durable and flexible. I just put all that stuff in there and look what we have. I think I'm about to carry her. She's gorgeous. And you guys know this leather is so soft and buttery. It is from the Brooklyn bag. So this is not the quilted tabby. This is the Brooklyn bag scraps. So That's why I believe it's so soft and mushy and gushy. But yeah, I don't want to keep you holding you, but I wanted to come and share with you guys all this stuff. Look at this. Oh my God. She is gorgeous. Yes, add the other one to the cart, please. So again, do you guys plan on getting this before it comes out? Or have you already ordered it? Do you plan on getting it? What's your thoughts on this bag? Are you a Coachtopia girl? And if so, what's your favorite? Again, this one is the Bluebell color. And it is the Ergo bag. So upcrafted, soft leather. So let me know what you think. Was this a good pick? Do you guys like the color combos? And I just wish you guys can feel the softness of it. But again, this particular bag sold me just because I love a good slouchy bag. Look at all that stuff that's in it that I could just look. Okay, enough. I can't believe this. So yeah, let me know. Let me know. I wanted to come and share with you my second item that I got. Was she a great pick? If you plan on getting her, do you have an SA? Have you already ordered it? And if so, if you already have it, share what you got. You might have it in a different color. How does it hold up on wear and tear? That's the one thing I don't know because I am new to this. Excuse me. But let me know what's your thoughts on wear and tear of the bags. But she's getting ready to get changed into because this one has been doing the job, but I like this one. So yeah, all right, you guys. Well, I'm not gonna hold you I'm not gonna hold you. I'm super ecstatic with this purchase, and yeah, let me know what you think. Now, oh, one more thing before I go. The one different thing that I do notice is this strap. You don't have any belts. This is the additional crossbody. Notice most of the Coach bags come with the hardware on it. This does not, because all you're doing essentially is taking this strap off and using the buckles that's attached to the bag. So these buckles are attached to the bag.